What a bird thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shells. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Thought. So children, we see that the world is the same, only it appears different to different people at various stages of their life.